Hello everybody, welcome to Cory Turner Talks Cars, and it's time for my top dashcam videos of the week, but this is special because this is when roads fight back. I think one is supernatural. You're going to have to watch it with me because I don't know what's going on that video, but first, let's look at a viewer car.
Hi, I'm Steve from Manchester, England. My ride is a 2011 Jaguar XF. And my other ride is a 1974 Rover P6 2.2. And you're watching Cory Turner Talks Cars.
Stephen, that is a fantastic Jaguar and a great looking Rover. Thank you for sending those our way. Stephen's a great actor from Manchester. Thank you for watching the show, Stephen. If you have a car that you'd like for us to give a shout out to here on the show, send me a video like Stephen did and some pictures. We'll edit those together, or you can just send me some pictures. Either way is fine, but we want to highlight your ride on the show for sure. Okay, let's jump in and look at my dash cam picks of the week. This is when roads fight back, and there's something supernatural going on one of these, and we're going to look at it. But first, let's go through and just look at some ones that I found that I thought were pretty crazy. All right, here we go. All right, so everything looks pretty normal here. We're just driving down the street when, boom! That guy goes flying in. Okay, so that's just a normal right, but check this guy out. He takes off, and he doesn't just take off. First of all, watch him here. He is fighting with the door, finally gets the door open. He runs on his tippy toes like an old-timey cartoon villain. Taking off, watch him. Here he goes. Whoop, there he goes. And his coat like flops up like he's 100 miles an hour. It actually looks like a Bigfoot sighting. Remember that Bigfoot video? That's what that looks like right there as he is taking off. His coat's all pushed up. And he's running. Okay, now this video, this is when we should not tailgate. This is an example of why we maybe should back up a little bit, because right here is, boom, oh, took it right to the windshield. We're a little bit close to the car, but you can see right about here, they just hit something that's laying in the road, and it comes up and just, tags that windshield. Look at the destruction it did there to that car as well. That's pretty tough. So cars, we should probably back off a little bit. Semis, probably a good idea to back away from semis too, because that is a defense mechanism of the semi, is just to launch its back tire at you, and it does quite a number there too. That was a close call. I don't know how it didn't hit the windshield. This was another one right here. We're pretty close to it, probably accelerating, maybe thinking about passing, when they blow a tire, the tread hits the car. There's no telling the amount of damage that happened to that car. That was a bad day right there. Okay, here we go. This is the first of when roads attack. Everything looks normal. We're doing just fine. We're driving along, and the road decides, nope, not today. Look at that. Boom. Now, there's a few things, and look, and then like water shoots up, so maybe a main broke. First of all, you got that car just made it. The pedestrians, close. It's red, so what is this guy on the right even doing, right? So maybe the road was like, hey, it's red. I'm sick of you running red lights. Popped up. I'm not sure, but look at that. And then just for good measure, we'll just get your car all dirty. But I don't know why he was still accelerating. He was going to run that red light. And boy, the road said, no, don't think so. Here's another one, right? So we got this concrete mixer. You're going to cover me with concrete? I don't think so. The road definitely fights back on this one and just swallows that. Just swallows that truck right up. They got another shot here. I think they scoot over a little bit. You can see the hole is just the size of the truck. It's not like it opened up everything. It just swallowed the truck. Here it is. Here is the supernatural road fights back. Watch, we're driving along. Pay attention to the right side. Boom. That came out of nowhere. There's nobody that hits it. Watch the white barrier. There's the orange barrier. And then right behind is the white barrier. Look, it's not there, and now it's sliding over. Look. It slides over and reaches out and kisses that car right there. Why? There's nothing there. There is something freaky happening with that one. That's amazing. Right here again, look. It just slides out. And there it is. Yeah, that's some supernatural dash cam video for sure. No one would believe you on that one, that the road just on its own swung out and got you. Now, sometimes people are crazy. That last one was a road crazy. Check out this guy. He goes forward, then he slams it in reverse, just smashes into the car, and then he's like, oh, crap, okay, I'm out of here, and he takes off, but then halfway across the intersection, he slams on the brakes. He starts backing up. I thought he was coming back for a second pass. He didn't, though, and then he took off. Here's another one that you're like, what are we thinking? I know what this guy's thinking. He wants to go left and you're not supposed to. But if you check that out, okay, so that car went by. Pedestrian never even turned his head. Just kept right on walking like it's every day that a guy uses the crosswalk to cross traffic. So that's a scary place to live when that seems to be normal, but he didn't bat an eye. Another crazy one, wrong way driver. So look, everybody's going really slow. This guy could turn. We would let him in, but no, he just keeps right on going. This one's scary, wrong way. That was a close call. That was, too close there. Now this one's pretty crazy because I thought maybe, oh no. Yeah, watch this. There he goes. See? Police chase. We got caught in a police chase. But did you notice that car? Did you notice what was on the hood of that car? Check it out right here on the left. As he goes shooting by, there's a dude on there. Look at that. Just hanging on. Woohoo! Yeah, that's a bad day. So, and then the police are in hot pursuit of, I don't know, the guy on the windshield or the car. Could be either one. This one, I thought maybe it's an earthquake. Look, car goes by, and now look. All the electrical lines, everything's going. Pole falls over? What? And then you realize, oh, no, that guy took that turn too fast, couldn't make the turn. He's going to back up here in a second. You're going to see. Check out the front of his car. Yep, smashed. Quality construction car, though, because he is able to drive off. And this one is... Okay, this is a confusing parking lot anyway. This guy's like, dude, every car is facing a different direction. So he's worried about that. So what does he do? He just drives into the grass. Which I don't know why that was the option. I think I would have parallel parked on that side. But then he's like, maybe I shouldn't park in the grass. So he tries to back up, and then he can't seem to get out. So it looks like he's stuck. So he's looking. Luckily, he's got a buddy with him. So the buddy gets out of the back seat, walks around. I don't know what that guy's wearing. Is that like a cardigan? He tries to push, can't push. It's too heavy. Dude, man, you are stuck. So I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to leave. I'll go call for help and say my friend's an idiot. So he takes off. That's what I think is hilarious. That guy left. Luckily, now he gets himself out. He pulls it back. He parks. Lady gets out. It's like, hey, we're late for dinner. Let's go. And then he just gets out. And that's it. And they're ready for dinner. So, again, that's a pretty confusing parking lot. I don't know where you're supposed to park. I have a feeling it's not in the grass. But he parked in the grass. So, good for him. So, anyway, and then his buddy took off. So, he definitely needs better friends. Okay, so have you seen some good dash cam videos lately? If you have, be sure to send them my way. I want to see them. Remember, we want to highlight your car just like we did for Stevens, so be sure to send us a video, send us some pictures. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow, all that kind of great stuff. Let's talk about cars tomorrow.